Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone camera portrait mode 2x is not working on your iPhone, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. If you are using any beta profile, remove the beta profile and back to stable version. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. The next solution is we are going to launch settings, tap on general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then go back to settings and general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.